Ready to bake something unforgettable? This gourmet cookie dough cake is soft, rich, and filled with layers of creamy cookie dough frosting and chocolate chips. Let's get started. Here are the ingredients you'll need. 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 cup unsalted butter softened, 1 cup granulated sugar, 1 cup brown sugar, 4 large eggs, 1 cup whole milk, 2 teaspoons vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon baking powder, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1 cup chocolate chips, 1 cup cookie dough, store-bought or homemade. Each ingredient plays a special role, so use the best quality you can find, especially for the chocolate chips. First, cream together 1 cup of softened butter, 1 cup granulated sugar, and 1 cup brown sugar until light and fluffy. Next, add 4 large eggs, one at a time, then mix in 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. In a separate bowl, whisk together 2 cups flour, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and 1 teaspoon baking soda. Gradually add this to your wet mixture, alternating with 1 cup of whole milk. Mix gently, don't overdo it. Fold in 1 cup of chocolate chips. Pour the batter into prepared cake pans, spreading it evenly. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes. Check with a toothpick. If it comes out clean, it's done. Cool in the pans for 10 minutes. Then transfer to wire racks to cool completely. Now for the decadent cookie dough frosting. Cream together 1 cup unsalted butter, 1 cup brown sugar. Then gradually add 2 cups powdered sugar, 2 tablespoons milk. Finally, fold in 1 cup cookie dough and extra chocolate chips. Once the cakes are fully cool, level the tops if needed. Spread a generous layer of frosting between each cake layer. Then frost the top and sides of the cake. Let it ooze a little, it adds to the charm. Top with mini chocolate chips, cookie dough balls, or ganache strips. You can pipe frosting or keep it rustic and smooth. Presentation is part of the experience. For clean slices, use a sharp knife and wipe between cuts. Serve with vanilla ice cream, whipped cream, or even a touch of sea salt on top. Don't forget coffee or cold milk to pair with those rich flavors. And that's it. Your ultimate gourmet cookie dough cake is ready. From first bite to last crumb, it's pure indulgence. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share if you loved this recipe, and be sure to check out this video for more.